everyone. Happy December 1st. Okay, so clearly as you're watching this, the Parker Ponte, I think I will have already told you that though. The Parker Ponte So Long is is being postponed until the first of the year, January. Mostly because everything that can like happen and go wrong, just like home things, like our dishwasher sprung a leak and now it's caused issues with the floor. Obviously we have to get a new dishwasher. The ceiling in my in the basement crumbled down a little bit, so there was like a huge mess there. It's just a whole bunch of those type of little things that have currently happened, and I just feel like it's the holidays and I'm getting ready to go back to Missouri for a week. My mom had her big surgery on Tuesday as I'm filming this. Today's December 1st, but it's Thursday, so she had 2 days ago. So as soon as she's released from the hospital, I'm going back for a week to help my parents because she's going to be down. It's a pretty hardcore surgery. So I just decided to push the Parker Ponte pants until the new year. It was just an added stress that I didn't need right now. So I hope you forgive me, and we will get to that and gives everyone a chance to get some fabric. All right. Also, yes, I'm doing all of my dishes by hand too, which, it's not that bad, but I'm staring at a sink full of dishes right now because I currently don't have a dishwasher, but that's okay. All right, so my game plan, I have 3 things on my cutout and ready to go. All 3 things are for Jenny. And then I've got stuff I want to cut out this week that I could take back with me to Missouri. I might be filming while I'm in Missouri. I'm not really sure what day I'm going back to Missouri. It depends on how long she's in the hospital and when she gets released, because there's no point in me being there while she's still in the hospital. Anyway, that's kind of what's going on. So I am going to, I'm dressed. I've got my new little pleated sleeved sweater on. I am going to go get my makeup done and do my hair. And then, so I've got some filming I need to do today, which is a video that you would have seen on Friday, the sewing room tour. So I'm going to go get ready for the day, get ready to film. And then I'll check back in a little bit later, probably when we are sewing. So I will see you then. All right, makeup's on. I have filmed Friday's video, so that's good. And now I'm going to do some sewing. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on. I've got 3 things cut out here and prepped, interfaced and all that for Jenny. So I'm going to show you really quickly what I'm going to be working on for that. And we're going to get started. All right, so I have, people are going to yell at me for having an open cup of water there. I know better. All right, so I did not have enough of this fabric to do a dress. It was narrow, and so it was only like 45. Anyway, I have cut out the Closet Core NYX top. So there are 2 different tops that come with that pattern. This is not the one with the peplum. This is just the regular top out of that one for her. This, with the partridge, I had like 5 yards of this. And the NYX dress, also from Closet Core, takes like a little over 5 yards. So I was able to squeeze everything in, used all of the fabric. So that's going to be the NYX dress that Jenny loves. And then with the silk, I had 1.5 yards of it, and it's narrow. It's like 44 narrow. But I'm cutting out, so today the new Cashmerette Club pattern came out. It's the camisole and the like a slip dress. So excited about this. Now, this is not the pattern the last pattern that I helped collaborate on for them. I think it's going to be February's pattern. So, but I was aware that this one was coming out. They sent this one to anyone that's collaborated on, with their stuff. They will send you, early access, because I already have the all access, pass. So I get the pattern anyway, but, they do give me early access if I want to make stuff up. I just didn't have time to make this up beforehand, and I can't wait to make one for myself. But I think this is going to make a great little camisole top for her. So these are the 3 things that I'm working on today. I'm hopeful to get the 2 tops done today, and then get the dress started and maybe finished tomorrow. So let's see how far I can get. Okay, it's much later in the day. I had a full day. I got the 2 tops done. I still have the dress sitting over there, but I had to take my daughter to a hair appointment, and then just other mom stuff that I needed to do. So it's evening. As you can see my window, it's dark, but I'm getting ready I need to stop and edit and upload tomorrow's video. So I am stopping for today, but I wanted to really quickly show you the tops I made. Obviously not on a person, but I'll show them to you real quick. All right, so here they are. So this is the, oh, I can't remember what it's called. The Avalor, maybe? The Avola? I can't remember. It's the new cashmerette December pattern. Beautiful. Jenny was actually over here earlier to try them on, so I adjusted the straps for her. I have lengthened the bodice of both of these by an inch because she is long in the torso, but it looks wonderful on her. And it is lined, and I French seamed everything and did a nice little narrow baby hem. And this is silk charmeuse, and it feels lovely. And then this is view C of the Closet Core Knits pattern. So this is the kind of the longer tunic top. So it just has the straight V-neck that's top stitched down. These beautiful sleeves. She tried this one on too, and it looks really great. So I'm excited to make the dress version. The dress version's got little rouleau loops with buttons that go down the front, and then obviously a cinched in waist with elastic, and then the tiers. So, but the sleeves will be done the same because I'm doing the long sleeves on this next dress too. So there we have it. So there's just a quick little sneaky peek for you of, there they are, what I've been working on for Jenny. So yes, tomorrow I'm going to come down here and finish that dress and then get some cutting out done as well. That is my goal for tomorrow. I have a lot of cutting out I want to do before I have to head back to Missouri so that I can take those projects with me. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. What is today? The 2nd. Okay, I'm standing in my closet. I'd also like to point out, look at those shirts. Those are my husband's. Gosh, he just needs to do his ironing. Okay, I'm standing in my closet because I am going to go through my clothing and pull some things that I'm pulling everything from my fall capsule wardrobe because I'm getting ready to go down and film my fall capsule kind of wrap-up video that you will be seeing next week. But in doing that, some of those things are not going to go back in my closet. They're going to go upstairs into my guest closet just because it's gotten too cold to wear. Like some of my cropped pants and, you know, the thinner pants, really that kind of stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and put it away until spring. So anyway, I'm taking this as an opportunity to not only pull everything to show you guys for the video, but also just to kind of take some, like I still have a pair of shorts that's down here because I was wearing those at the beginning of the fall. Obviously those can go upstairs now. So I'm just kind of doing a little bit of that today. Let me just rest my arm. So my mom had a very major surgery on Tuesday of this week. I think I already mentioned that. And I am going to head back to help her out for a week. I'm just kind of waiting to find out when she's going to be released from the hospital. We're thinking right now it's going to be Monday, so that would mean I will probably travel back on Sunday, but I'm not entirely sure. There's no reason in me getting there before. I'd like to get there the day before she comes home. That way I can help my dad get the house ready and all that stuff. But there's no reason for me to be there too much because, you know, my time away from my own family is precious. So I want to try and maximize my time there. And I do want to be able to give her a full week. So that is the plan. So that means I got to get my ducks in a row. So I am going to take stuff to sew while I'm there. I'm going to take my little Bernina. I think I'm going to take my serger and a few other things, but I would like to get projects cut out to then sew there because I just don't have a good area to cut out at their house without taking like cutting mats and all that kind of stuff. And I really prefer cutting out with a rotary cutter. It's just easier. So my plan after filming today and tomorrow is just to get quite a few projects cut out. And I have some laundry I need to do, well, for my family, but also I need some fabric I need to wash as part of that. And anyway, that's kind of what I have going on today, which is kind of a lot. So hopefully she'll get out Monday, but if not, I might be traveling on Monday if she doesn't get out until Tuesday. I am really feeling in my gut it's going to be Monday though. So we're just going to get my ducks in a row so that I'm ready to go when I need to go. Okay. So I'm just standing here in my closet talking to you. Anyway, happy Friday. I will check back in a little later. Oh, because I'm going to show you, I'm taking Christmas gifts back with me so that I can wrap them, and I'm just going to leave them there because we'll see that side of, we'll see that family during the Christmas season. So, anyway, one of the things I'm taking back with me, I've made my sister her hope dress, which is in that teal, think it's an art gallery print that I showed you guys. So I don't know if I'll get any footage of her in that. I kind of feel bad when you give someone a Christmas gift and then you're like, I need you on film. But I will show you that here a little bit later today, so you can kind of see what the finished dress looks like. I'd put it on myself, but I don't think it's, there's no darts in it, and I haven't done a full bust adjustment because my sister doesn't need it. She's pretty flat. So, flat-chested. She'd love to hear you say that. But anyway, she didn't used to be, but after babies. Anyway, so I probably won't put it on because it's not going to look right on me, but maybe I'll stick it on Lena, so at least you can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like on her. It also hasn't been hemmed yet because I wanted to wait for her to open it, and I'll have my machine with me at Christmas, so then she can determine where she wants that hem to fall, because I've done above the knee. Okay, I think that's it. I'll check back in a little later. Okay. Okay, I just finished filming Tuesday's video, and I was going to show you my sister's dress that I made the other day, because that's going to be going to Missouri with me, so I can wrap it. Sorry, I'm just adjusting it on Lena here. And then, as you can see, I've got my lights all set up. I'm going to be filming a holiday ready-to-wear looks, and then the patterns and fabrics you can use to recreate them. So I know you guys like those, and had some requests for, it had been just a bit since one of those videos had come out. So yeah, it's going to be Friday next week's video. So very exciting. So I'm going to finish doing all the background work for that, and then get that filmed today. So that is on the docket. And then I want to finish sewing that dress and then start cutting out. Busy day. Busy day. But that's really all I need to do. I mean, it's Friday, so my kids don't have any activities. My daughter's going out with a friend this evening, and but she's getting picked up. So I can really just dig in. And even being in the basement, because I don't have a wall yet, being in the basement, and my son and my husband can be either playing the video games down here or watching TV, and I can be down here cutting and still be talking to them at the same time. So it can still be a family affair tonight, even with me still doing those things. So let me show you the dress. Okay, here she is in all of her glory. Again, I just have the hem serged. I wanted to try it on her before we decide. She's got very long legs, but I know that she likes to wear her dresses. She's got great legs above her knee. So not always, but I think this one will definitely be. She has some over the knee boots that I think would be really cute with it. Anyway, there's the front. It was a very easy dress to construct. Again, this is the Hope dress by Style Arc. And I had this silk, button in my stash that was probably from something. I mean, it was from, like a leftover, like an extra button that came on something at some point. Anyway, it just works so perfectly with the pink. So that little keyhole detail in the back I thought was really cute. Anyway, that is the Hope dress. So I'll be anxious to see what it looks like on her and how she likes it. And that is her Christmas gift. She does not watch these videos though. I also got her a pair of earrings that I think will look really good with this dress as well. So a whole outfit for my sister. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It is the 3rd of December. I didn't say goodnight last night. Totally forgot. So busy day today. Again, today's Saturday. My mom is being released from the hospital tomorrow, which was quite a few days earlier than we thought, which is great. That just means she's doing really well. I'll tell you, she's a fighter, that one. Anyway, so I am going to be heading back to Missouri tomorrow on Sunday. So I have a lot to do because I'm going to be working while I'm there. So I've got some things I need to cut out, things that need to be worked on this month. That needs to be done. And then I need to clean up that, not my sewing room, but the filming studio that I showed you guys on Friday, because there is a chance that they will come and start building that wall while I'm gone. And I don't want any of my fabric, and they said they'll cover everything with plastic, but I would rather all of the fabric be in my sewing room where you can close the doors. I just don't want any of that drywall dust on anything. So I also need to clean up that area. And you guys saw what that looked like, as well as pack and then grocery shop for my family and do laundry, get laundry all cut up before I leave. It'll be fine. So much. It's already 10:15. So I'm going to eat breakfast really quick, and then I'm going to go down. I still haven't finished that dress for Jenny, but I think that's going to be a project that I take with me back to Missouri. So I'll work on that when I'm in Missouri, because I don't need to film her that. We had planned to push filming on that until the following week. So you will see Jenny's capsule, not this coming week, but the following week, kind of her fall capsule roundup. You'll see mine this week, this coming week. I've already filmed that. So anyway, I kind of had anticipated that she wouldn't be getting out of the hospital till Monday at the earliest, possibly Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. So I kind of thought that I would have definitely all day today, but I kind of thought I would have tomorrow as well, because she wouldn't be discharged until later in the day. It takes me 8 hours to drive from my house to their house, but I also gain an hour when I'm going back to their house because of the time change. So I can usually get there early, mid-afternoon, which typically when you're being checked out of the hospital, that's when that happens. But she's getting checked out tomorrow. I want to be there tomorrow. So I got to leave bright and early in the morning. Okay, I'll quit jabbing at you and let's get going. All right, look how busy I've been today. If you recall the video on Friday, there was fabric all over the place. It is now all cleaned up. In fact, the only fabric that is currently out is this fabric right here that I'm getting ready to cut out another shacket. Oh, and that is a blanket, but Gidget was using that. That's why that's on the floor. Look how clean. Okay, so I am slowly making my way through my day. Okay, so today I got my room all cleaned and picked up, or what'll be the filming studio, I guess, all cleaned and picked up. So if anything happens while I'm gone there, that's all ready to go. It'll be easy for my husband to move those baskets of fabric. I don't think anything will happen while I'm gone, but just in case. I got stuff cut out for me to work on while I'm in Missouri. I would really like to get that last fabric cut out. It is, what time is it? 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. I still need to edit and upload this. I go to bed early. And yes, so I need to do that. I need to place a grocery order still for them to pick up tomorrow, for my family. And laundry is done, so that's good. I've got Gidget joining me here, but I still need to pack. So I don't know. The shacket may wait until I get back. I mean, what are the odds of me getting all of that stuff done? I think I have 6 projects cut out and ready to go in the bag. I'm probably good to wait and do the shacket when I get back. I just have all that stuff ready to go. I've got the pattern printed, so I may just wait on that one. That's probably the best course of action, because again, I've got 6 things all cut out and ready to go. So I'll be taking you guys along with me on that. So I'm just going to finish packing up, edit this, get it uploaded, and I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. Obviously, we won't see it till next week, but let's see what videos we've got. We've got the wrap-up of my fall capsule, which is coming on Tuesday. And then on Friday, I have 10 holiday ready-to-wear holiday looks that I have paired with fabric and patterns. So that will be the video up on Friday. And then there'll be another vlog on Sunday. All right, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of Vlogmas. Oh, I do have the wine advent calendar. I bought that again this year. But I'm going to be gone now for a week. My mom has it too, but she can't drink any of it because she's on pain medication right now. So we may just wait and hang on to those until January, and we could do them together when everyone is able. Anyway, we're going to see. So, and then my kids are doing another Lego advent calendar, Guardians of the Galaxy Lego advent calendar. But yeah, there should be more Christmassy type things happening going into this week. Because like I said, we'll be doing a lot of wrapping and all that kind of stuff. So I'll take you guys along on all that. All right. I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Bye-bye.